Understanding overheating, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the term overheating. This word can be quite versatile in English, and understanding it will definitely add to your language skills. Let's dive in. Overheating literally refers to becoming excessively hot. It's commonly used in the context of machines or devices. For example, the computer is overheating due to constant use. This usage is straightforward and relates to physical temperature. In a metaphorical sense, overheating can describe situations or people. For example, the debate got so intense that the participants were overheating. Here, it means people becoming excessively angry or emotional. This is a more figurative use of the term. In economics, overheating is used to describe an economy growing at an unsustainable rate, leading to high inflation. For instance, economists are worried that the rapid growth might lead to the economy overheating. This specialized use is important for those interested in finance or economics. In everyday speech, overheating can also be used in a variety of informal ways. People might say, "I'm overheating on a hot day," or "This topic is overheating on social media," meaning it's becoming very popular or controversial. I hope this video has helped clarify the different ways overheating is used in English. Whether it's in a literal, metaphorical, economic, or colloquial context, understanding this term can greatly enhance your language skills. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.